cooking taters. I need to get my spoon.
You gotta ask her questions.
What else are you cooking?
We have a pork roast and the potatoes right now are going mashed.
And how do you mash? Ask her, how do you mash potatoes?
How do you mash potatoes?
By cooking them too long.
By cooking them too long. And then what do you do to mash them?
Mash.
You smash them?
With what?
What do you
Well,
smash them
I don't
with?
have a potato smasher, so I use an electric mixer.
Ooh, electric mixer. And what does electric mixer do?
Mashes the potatoes.
Or see, we're doing an interview. Every word you're saying is being recorded.
Oh dear. Well,
So,
you have
what
to-
else? What else do you have for dinner with us? For us?
The meat has rested.
The meat? Why? How come? What do you mean meat is resting?
It's sitting.
It's sitting. You
The
have
broccoli's done.
What's
What?
broccoli?
Where's the broccoli?
It's in the microwave.
Ah, it's in the microwave. Okay. I tell you, the meat is done.
It better be.
It better be. We're gonna have to find out. Chase wants to know how you cut it.
How do you cut it?
With a knife.
With a knife. Oh. Wow.
And I can see the meat.
Now you come over this way, little honey. So mommy, she's pulling her.
Look, the meat.
Yeah, you see it. Watch out, because here comes the broccoli. We don't want to get burned on the broccoli.
She needs the thing.
Oh, she needs the thing. She needs the thing, honey. Okay.
Broccoli.
I see the.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I see it. Yeah.
The broccoli.
Now, how do you know the broccoli's done, ma'am?
Because I have skills.
Because we're asking these questions. This is going to be going on to the Food Network.
Yeah. We're gonna put this on the Food Network.
Right. Oh, that looks done. Oh, look at those good juices coming out. Uh-huh. I think she knows what she's doing.
Yeah. Do you know what you're doing?
I hope I do. I like to cut the meat real thin.
Uh-huh. And where have you gained all this experience
From
cooking?
my mommy.
For your mommy? Was your mommy a restaurateur cooker? Or is she
No.
just a homemaker cooker?
She was just a homemaker cooker.
Oh, did she learn her trade from the Home Food Network?
No, she
Oh.
learned it from her mommy.
Oh, her mommy. Oh.
And her mommy was a great cook.
And where did her mommy learn how to be such a great cook?
Because she's very old.
She was very old, so she came from the old school, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, and where was the old school at?
In Vincennes, Indiana.
Vincennes, Indiana. Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
And where is Vincennes, Indiana?
You can tell them that. Because
Indiana.
It's in Indiana. Oh. And is Vincent, Indiana, is that north or south of Indiana?
it's in Indiana. It's on the Wabash River.
Oh, the Wabash River. Oh. Okay.
How
Is that a big river?
Yes.
Yes.
How long is it gonna take to cut this?
As long as it takes her.
Finished.
Are you going to eat all that she's cut it already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, no.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Everybody.
Now, can we listen to what we just had talked about now?
Not yet. It's not done.
Well, I want to hear what we had to say. Look at the steam. Is it on fire?
Okay, come get your plates.
Oh, we got it. Okay. Give that to your mommy. So we got to hear it.